Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mass Battlefield by Ajay Yadav.
Okay, now come to the fourth part of the fourth question. Now this is one of the important and difficult question of the exercise. So let us see what is being said in the question. So there are two cars. One car is at point A and the second car is at, let's say, point B, right? So in the case one, both the cars move in the same direction, right? So like this, the car, one car is at position A and the second car is at position B, and they both move in the same direction, right? Obviously they will take much more time to meet, ठीक है, rather than अगर वो ऐसे ही चल रही है, right, तो उनको ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा मिलने में, और अगर वो ऐसे जा रही है, ठीक है, तो उनको कम टाइम लगेगा, राइट? सो कार ऐसे जा रही है, राइट, दे आर मूविंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, एंड व्हेन दे आर मूविंग इन सेम डायरेक्शन, तो उनको कितना टाइम लगता है मिलने में? दे टेक हाउ मच आवर? दे टेक 5 आवर, दे टेक 5 आवर्स. एंड व्हेन द सेम कार इन सिचुएशन 2 में क्या बोला गया है? अगर वही कार क्या होती है, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में रन करती है, राइट? ए ऐसे जा रही है एंड जो बी है, राइट, इट इज मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. देन व्हेन दे मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन, तो वो जल्दी मीट कर जाएंगे, तो दे विल मीट इन 1 आवर, राइट? सो एंड व्हाट इज बीइंग सेड कि जहां पर कार खड़ी है, राइट, ए और बी, these are the points on a flyover, on a highway, and the distance between them is 100 kilometer. This distance is 100 kilometer, right? Now what is being said, what are the speed of the two cars, right? हमें क्या x और y लेट करना होता है, that you can understand what is being asked in the last of the question, right? So अल्टीमेटली हम क्या लेट कर देंगे? स्पीड ऑफ एक्स, स्पीड ऑफ दिस कार भी x किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड द स्पीड ऑफ दिस कार भी y किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट? सो लेट अस से कि जब कार ऐसे जा रही थी, ठीक है, सेम डायरेक्शन में, तो वो किस पॉइंट पर मीट करती है? P. एंड व्हेन कार्स आर कमिंग राइट इन द opposite direction, then they are meeting, let's say they meet at point some Q, right? So let's start. Now let the speed of car at point A be x kilometer per hour, and let the speed of car at point B be, let's say, y kilometer per hour. Now what is the length of the highway? Okay, we will say, so the value of AB is how much? 100 kilometer, right? We very well know that distance is equals to what? Speed into my time, right? Distance is always equals to speed into time. Now let's consider the case 1. What is case 1? That when cars move in the same direction, when cars move in the same direction, when cars move in the same direction. So let us say that the cars, when they move in same direction, they meet at point P. When car move in same direction, they meet at point P. They meet at point P. And after what time they meet? After 5 hours, right? Now, so do tell, जब A पॉइंट पे जो गाड़ी है, राइट, उसकी स्पीड क्या है? x, एंड उसको P पॉइंट तक टाइम कितना लगा पहुंचने में? 5 आवर्स. और इस जो गाड़ी B पर है, जो कार B पॉइंट पर है, उसको भी टाइम कितना लगा P पॉइंट पे पहुंचने में? हाउ मच? 5, राइट? सो इट ऑल्सो टेक 5 आवर्स एंड दिस ऑल्सो टेक 5 आवर्स, बट दोनों की स्पीड क्या है? x, और इसकी स्पीड है x और इसकी स्पीड है y. सो इफ आई वांट टू कैलकुलेट कि इस गाड़ी ने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, तो डिस्टेंस कैसे आएगा? स्पीड इनटू में टाइम. सो राइट, सो व्हाट कैन आई से? डिस्टेंस कवर्ड by car at A is equals to what? Speed into distance equals to speed into time, right? And what was its speed? X, and time was 5. So its distance will be 5x, and distance covered by car at B, that will be what? 5, again 5y, right? Its speed is, so that means this much distance will be how much? This much will be 5, and this whole distance, right? And this whole distance will be how much? 5x. Now clearly what you can see, if you subtract from AP, अगर आप AP में से क्या subtract कर देंगे? BP, तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? EB. So therefore you can say, अगर हम AP में से क्या subtract कर दें? BP, तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? AB, right? And what is this? ठीक है, this is what? This is your actually AP, and this is your actually BP, right? So you can say 5x minus 5y, and what is the value of AB? 100, right? So 5 is common in this, you can take 5 common, so x minus y equals to 100. You can cancel out by the table of 5, so you get your first equation, x plus y equals to how much? 100, right? Sorry, equals to 20. This is your equation first, right? So this was your case 1 of this one, right? Similarly, there is case 2. Let's say we are doing here case 2. Case 2 is what? When the two cars move in the opposite direction, and let's say they meet at point Q, right? तो इनको कितना टाइम लगता है यहाँ, इस कार को यहाँ तक आने में 1 घंटा, और इस कार को भी यहाँ आने में 1 घंटा, राइट? सो इट्स स्पीड इज x एंड टाइम इज 1. तो इस कार ने ये डिस्टेंस कैसे आएगा? डिस्टेंस इक्वल्स टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. इट्स स्पीड इज x and time is 1 hour. So this will be x, and how much will be this? Right? This will be x into 1. That means x only, and this will be, and this much distance will be speed into time. Speed is y and time is 1. So that means y, and this, when you will add this distance and this distance, you will get whole this. How much that is? 100 kilometers, right? So you will write, let when, right? So I am rubbing this here so that I can write the statement here. When cars move in opposite direction, when cars move in opposite direction, right? This is opposite direction. When the car moves in opposite direction, they meet at point Q. They meet at point Q after 1 hour. Right? So we will not write this statement again, distance covered by car at point Q, right? So directly you can write, yeah, if you want you can write here also, okay? Distance covered by car at A, that means AQ, right? That means AQ distance will be only x, right? And distance covered by car at point B, that means BQ will be how much? Y. And clearly you can say what? This plus this will be AB, and this is how much? 100. So you can clearly write x plus y will be 100. This is your equation 2, right? Now I hope you can solve these two equations, okay, by elimination method, right? So let us solve this, right? So I am rubbing this part. I hope you have understood. Okay? Kindly pause the video and note it down. So let's say we are solving equation 1 and equation 2, right? Let's say we are doing here by elimination method. So what we will do, since the coefficient of x and y are already same, right? So add these two equations, adding equation first and second, adding equation 1 and 2, right? So when you add this x minus y equals to 20, and this is x plus y equals to 100, right? So add this gets cancelled, and x plus x 2x, and this is 120. So the value of x comes to be 60 km per hour, right? The value of x is 60, and put this value of x, putting value of x in equation 2, right? So we will put over here 60 plus y equals to 100. So the value of y will be 100 minus 60 will give you 40, right? So in last you will write, therefore the speed of, okay, you can write the statement yourself. Therefore the speed of first car is 60 km per hour. Therefore the speed of car at point A equals to 60 km per hour, and the speed of car at point B equals to 40 km per hour, right? So pause the video, note it down, and after this come to the question number 5th. Now come to the 5th part of the question number 4th. Now what is being given कि एक rectangle है, right? There is a rectangle. In case 1 क्या किया गया है, इस rectangle की length को increase, ठीक है, इस rectangle की length को क्या कर दिया गया है, decrease कर दिया गया है, and its breadth is increased by 3 units, right? Let's say what is being said, its length is reduced and its breadth is increased, right? Now length जितनी भी थी उसको 5 कम कर दिया गया. That means there should be some value of length. So we do not know, तो हम उसको क्या मान लेंगे, x, and breadth को we will let as y, right? So what will be its area, x into y, because what is the area of rectangle, length into breadth. Now what is be केस 1 में क्या बोला गया है कि लेंथ को 5 से कम कर दो और ब्रेड्थ को 3 से बढ़ा दो, राइट? सो दिस इज न्यू, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज योर न्यू लेंथ एंड दिस इज योर न्यू ब्रेड्थ, राइट? सो हाउ यू विल फाइंड न्यू एरिया? तो न्यू एरिया कैसे आएगा, न्यू लेंथ इनटू में न्यू ब्रेड्थ. इसका एरिया कैसे आएगा, इट्स एरिया विल बी न्यू एरिया, दैट विल बी new length into new breadth, right? Sorry, x minus 5 into my x plus 3, right? Okay. Now, so initially what we should let the length of rectangle be x and let the breadth of rectangle be y. So therefore, based on this, what will be the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle will be length into breadth, that is x into y, right? Now, according to first condition, right? What is being said, that new area after decreasing the length and increasing the breadth, जो new area आएगा वो पुराने वाले एरिया से 9 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स कम है, right? is gets reduced. So that means new area is 9 less than the old area, right? So what is the new area? It will be new length, that means x minus 5 into a new breadth, right? So this shall be y, this is y plus 3 equals to, and what is old area, x into y minus 9. Solve it. Now this x shall first of all get multiplied by y, so this will be x into y, और फिर x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 से, this shall be 3x. Now minus 5 को 5 y से, and then is 5 को 3 से, minus 15 equals to xy minus 9. xy से xy gets cancelled. Now 3x minus 5y, right? And this minus 15 will go that side, and 15 minus 9, right? So 3x minus 5y, and 15 minus 9 will be 6, right? So this is our equation first. Now according to second condition, what is being said, that new area. Now in case 2, what is the situation, that length is increased and breadth is also increased, right? And length is increased by how much? If the length is increased by 3 units and the breadth is increased by 2 units, right? So length is increased by 3 and the breadth is increased by 2. So new area will be x plus 3 into my y plus 2. And the new area is how much? It is 67 more than the old area, right? It is 67 square units more than the old area. Now again multiply this. This will be xy plus 2x plus 3y and plus 3 to the 6 equals to xy plus 67. xy gets cancelled. 2x plus 3y and this 6 will go and get subtracted. This will be 61 and this is equation 2, right? So now you can solve equation 1 and 2, right, by let's say by elimination method or by let's say we are solving by cross multiplication method, right? But for cross multiplication we will convert this into standard form. 3x minus 5 minus 6 equals to 0, and convert this also. 2x plus 3y minus 61 equation. There is no need of naming equation 1 and 2, right? Now, so you need to tell here a1 equals to 3, b1 equals to minus 5 and c1 equals to minus 6 and a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to 3 and c2 equals to minus 61, right? So based on this, we will write here by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. So by cross multiplication method, what we can say, right? X, y, and 1, right? So you know, so directly we can write b1. Here it will be b1, b2, and here c1, c2. Here it will be a1, a2, and lastly b1, b2. Cross multiply it, right? So x upon me, right? So first of all, substitute the value over here. Minus 5, it is 3. Now here it will be minus 6, minus 61, and here it will be 3, 2, and lastly here it will be minus 5 and 3 again. So now calculate it. X upon me, this will be how much? Minus minus plus, and this will be 305 minus as per formula, and 6 3 is a 8 minus 80, right? Now equals to y upon me. 6 2 is a minus 12 minus, and this will be minus 183, right? Equals to 1 upon me. This shall be 3 3 is a 9 minus 2 5 is a minus 10. Now solve it further. This will be 305 plus 18 equals to y upon me minus 12 plus 183 equals to 1 upon me 9 plus 10, right? So this shall be x upon me 323. Now y upon me, this shall be 171, and this will be 1 upon me 19, right? So on equating, what we will get, these all three are equal. So first of all we will let this equals to this. So x upon me 323 equals to 1 upon me 19, and y upon me 171 equals to 1 upon me 19, right? So now when we cut this, we will get 19 ones are 19, right? And this will be 133, and 19 sevens are 190. So ultimately this will come, when you will cross multiply it, the value of x will come 17, and 19 9 ja 171, so the value of y is 19, right? So at last we will write, ठीक है, in statement you will write therefore length of rectangle equals to 17 units and breadth of rectangle equals to 19 units, right? So therefore this exercise gets over. So मिलते हैं, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. टिल देन जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.